Hey everyone, we have an iPhone XS Max. We're gonna be replacing the screen for. As you can see, first we have to remove the bottom two screws. We have to take them out, just as you see in the video. Okay, when you're done with the two screws, now we have to pry up the screen. Use a flat metal thing to go on underneath. Then you can use a pick to pry it up. Okay, just like that. Just go around the sides. Just take your time doing it, don't rush it. Take your time. Okay, now you're gonna open it up like a book so we can remove the screws and disconnect the cables so we can remove the screen. So we have to remove those. Okay, once you're done removing the plates, now we have to remove the four screws that hold in the front speaker. Remove the bracket and the cables underneath. Okay, there you go. Now we have to replace the piece from the top from the old screen to put on the new one. But first we have to remove the top screws. Okay, go all the way down. Okay, now it's out. We have to put it on the new screen. That's the only thing that we have to replace, nothing else. So put it back in place. Okay, now we have to screw it down. Okay, just like that. Now we can connect the cable to test the screen to make sure the screen is working, the screen is good. Just make sure all the cables are in place. Okay, now let's plug it and give it a try and see. There you go. The screen is coming up. Good sign. Awesome. So the phone was reset, so we can really test the screen to the fullest, but so far everything seems okay. Now put back the plate and the screws. Okay, now the top plate, put back the 4 screws that's holding it down. Okay, now we can close up the phone. And don't forget the bottom 2 screws that we have to put back. There you go. All set, all good. You can see the screen is working. The touch works, at least the LCD and the touch. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Please help me share the video and like it. Thank you.